Video recording for EDUKWEST is provided by Whatburner. Take Skype video to the next level. Record, edit, upload at vodburner.com. So Sarah is showing a little bit how the I assume the Spanish app works on the iPad and how the learning actually happens. So that we have a little bit of this live element and how the course works. Good. Okay.
So here, people, the beloved gizmo of the time. So I'm going to show you, in fact, the new version, which is the one that we're going to submit this week, so that you guys can see firsthand what is coming. Sneak peek, yeah. So we have here, so this is the app, okay? So we have all, this is basically our learn section on the website, okay? Yes. So you have lessons, icon for lessons. Can you see well?
We can see very well, yes.
Yeah, so lessons, notes is not there in the current version, but it's coming. Flashcards we have, about us, contact us. So you see, like, I take feedback so serious. I made sure we have a contact button right here, so it's easy for them to send me a feedback. So basically the way you work, we have all the lessons here, as we have on the website, okay? So we have level 1, level 2, and level 3 of the lessons. So let's go on level 1. So all the steps that we have on the iPad are exactly the same steps as we have on the web, okay? So the first one is, here's the situation where you just hear the dialogue. This is just to get the user familiar with the audio and in the language. And so here. Can you hear?
Yeah.
So you have the dialogue right here. The second step is how you write it, where you have the dialogue as well as you can see how the text is written. Then you have getting the meaning, which you can always play the audio again. So we have getting the meaning with the language you're learning, and then you have the translation over here. Please, everybody, note this is not a direct translation because it cannot be that way. If you want to learn how to speak in the language, you cannot do direct translations. So I got some feedback, oh, that's not how it is. I'm like, look, yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. Because you need to convey the message the way they speak in their country. So it's not a direct translation. So then we have now you say it. Here we break the dialogues into sentence by sentence. So the student can practice pronunciation with themselves. So they listen to each sentence at a time. And they can see the text if they want. Okay? And you have now you write it. You listen to it. You come and type. And the computer check whether it's correct or not. And you can choose if you want to check with punctuation or without punctuation. So I didn't write anything. It's going to say wrong. Okay? So they can train sentence by sentence. Then we have build your vocabulary like we have on the website, which is a very interesting way to teach vocabulary. Within each lesson, each dialogue, whenever there is a word or sentence that can be substituted by others, you can just click on it and it comes. So for example, buenos días could be buenas tardes. So you can listen to the list of words that could be substituted. Then we have Let's Practice 1, which is a multiple choice exercise. And Let's Practice 2 is not available here because it's where you send the exercise for your friends to review. But again, you can always click the Hello, Hello logo. And I think we had a little light problem here that's coming back. It's India.
That's fine. Even here in France, we sometimes have electricity and internet problems. So
here from inside, you can access the website itself. Here we are inside the website, so you can create an account and log in. So you can access the website itself from the app. That's what I said. You can still have the social networking component from here. We have flashcards where you can choose. Then you have like the language of the front, and you can listen to the audio. Audio is not there on this version now, which is coming soon. So you can just click and choose the language on the front, the language on the back, and practice with the correct flashcards. You know, we have notes where you can jot down your notes and then come back to them. And we are coming right now with the settings, with the default language of translation, where you can choose the language you want to see the translations in. So you choose, and the whole app, all the translations are now in Portuguese. So that as well as a translation of the instructions and the
everything changes towards then the language you would like
so
to
this is the
choose.
sneak preview. So the only things we don't have, so just to make clear, the things we don't have on the current version is notes, the default language of translation, and audio on the flashcards. But we are submitting this version today.
I think the iPad will do tremendous things for learning. I mean, we can already see it's really that you have all the exercises, and therefore I think you need the size of the screen, that you can basically have everything on one page, and then, well, I mean, the tactile, okay, we have it on the iPhone too, but I think it's really a device that can be used perfectly for learning. Yeah.
Yes,
So I think you did a very nice job with the
Thank
the
you.
apps. Good.
Thank you.